Okay. This is Way Forward Liberty Trading Club, and today we're going to be going over live trade zones and trade alerts, how to get them installed, how to put them on your charts, and how to use them. I'm also going to tell you how to get Telegram alerts, so that way you can still get the alerts on your phone if you're not near your computer. Let's get started. I need you to pull up a Google search, and so, you know what? Skip that part. I made it a little bit easier for you. You ready? All you need to do is type in www. T as in Tom, I as in Indigo, N as in November, Y as in Yankee, U as in Umbrella, R as in Roger, L as in Libra, I don't know, .com/LTC for Liberty Trading Club, and then Telegram. That's LTC Telegram. And you can see it right there on my screen. All you gotta do is hit enter, and boom, takes you right to the page so that you can just either open up the web browser. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and set up one. It's probably easier to do it on your phone first, then go to the PC. It'll give you the option of opening it up on your desktop app. If you just go ahead and hit join channel there, that'll subscribe you to it. I think I'm already joined, so open in web, and it'll look like this. And then anytime you get an alert, it'll automatically, if you have it downloaded on your phone, you should get it an alert on your phone whenever an alert comes through one of the sessions. And then that's it. You should be set up here for Telegram. Now, as far as your charts go, we'll just do this. And then you need to download the Liberty Trade alerts from the members area. Okay. So now once you get over here, you need to download the Liberty Trade alerts from the members area. And so you're just going to need to go over to either you're going to get a link in your email if you're not going through our club and you're getting the trade alerts separately from the club, or you're going to go through the members area if you're coming through the club and you're going to be part of our sessions or whatever, and you have access to the members area. And so you just type in libertytradingclub.com and then click members area. If you have access to the members area, you're just going to come right over to our members area page once you log in, and you're going to click the link right here and you're going to download it. If you're getting it, you're not coming through the members area, you're going to have your own personal link that they're going to send you in your email. So if you're doing it from this way, you click this link right here. It downloads it there in your little icon for your downloads on your web page browser, and you just leave it there. That's it. This part's done. So this is my control panel, and you're going to go Tools, Import, NinjaScript add-on. I'm going to wait for it to pop up. There. It's going to be the last one you downloaded, so just double click that. Boom. I've already got a version on there. Yours is going to say successful. Once it's installed successfully, then you minimize this. You right click on the back of your screen. You click indicators. Go to the Liberty folder. Find the one that says trade alerts. Double click it. Your properties window will open up over here to the right. You're going to want to bring that page back up that has in the members area. Right there. Go right here to the room ID and copy that. Make sure you don't get any spaces in the front of it because it will mess up. Get rid of that. Go right here to the top line and hit Control V or right click and paste. And your code's in there. Now, just to be extra sure that there's no spaces there, click right in front of the 6 and see it blinking. You hit backspace, go to the F over here, hit delete. Make sure that the F, you're in front of the, or behind the F. And then that's it. Templates, save as default, yes. Apply, okay. That's it. Now you're set up to get the trade alerts. You'll have a yellow button right here to take a trade, and whenever you hear the alert go off, either via Telegram, your mobile phone, or in the room through the session, whenever we do the trade alerts, you'll get an alert in the room. You just hit the get alert button and a flag will pop up on your screen, and I'll show you what that looks like right here. Live trade zones. This is like the heart and soul of Liberty Trading Club. Like, this is how we find our trades. So let's get them installed on your NinjaTrader charts. First thing you want to do is, if you get access to the members area over here, just scroll down. It's Liberty Toolkit right there. Click the orange one there that says Liberty Toolkit. Go ahead and download the toolkit here. So click that. You'll see it download over in your little download icon on your web browser, and just leave that there. If you don't like the way I'm telling you how to install it, you can watch this video. It'll walk you through it as well. You know, to each their own. And then once you get it downloaded, come right over to your charts, and you're going to right click, go to indicators, and I think I have them on here already, but let's take them off, and then go to Liberty Tool, the folder here, and then go to levels 13, double click that, make sure show Liberty Live Zones, and I'm going to click that one too, the show Liberty Levels. And if you don't like a bunch of labels on your charts, just highlight whatever's in this label section right here and delete it. Go to template, save as default, yes. Hit apply, hit OK. And then it should have a little banner right here that's telling you how long it'll take for the next set of zones to pop up on your chart. And right here it's saying 5 minutes. So we'll see if that actually pops up. Now, until that pops up, we'll use this orange band here as a zone. As long as you have this showing, this little banner right here, you don't have anything to worry about. It's going to pop up as a preemptive measure, like a just to make sure. Go to data series, right click on your background of your screen, and go to data series, and just make sure you have at least 15 days or 10 days is fine, but if you're not quite sure they're going to load, do 15 days just to be absolutely sure. Hit apply, and only do it on the chart that you're going to be taking trades from. You don't need it on every single chart because you're not going to be using those for that. Now, if this orange band was the zone, then what you'd be looking at is, you see how price action is respecting that zone as it's coming down and hitting it. Let's see if we can find it where it goes over it. Well, basically, the reason why that zone is there is because there's a lot of indecision in that area, and prior indecision, and it was enough indecision in this area that it was a tug of war that price is going to respect this level next time it comes back to it. And I don't know if I am going to find any price action that goes across this area. Wow. Okay. You know what? Well, price action did go across this area at some point. So when you see the price coming down to it for the first time, right here. And here, you can see it literally hit it and then bounce out. And that's how a zone should work. Very rarely do you ever see price action coming down and go right through it. If it does go right through it, I'm almost certain it's going to come back and hit it and then bounce off of it. And so what that would mean is that there's a lot of bears in this area, and so there was absolutely no resistance coming down into it. No support. It just actually just catapulted it through it. But once it gets to the other side, you're going to hit a pocket of bulls, and it's going to bring it back up and then retest this. And if it was that strong to get it to slide right through, then it's probably going to hold up, and so it's probably going to give you a trade shooting back down. And so then that's what we'd be looking for. Now, on the other side, so like you see here, price action's coming down, hits it, bounces off of it. Good trade there. If you were to happen to take that trade, as it bounces out, you're looking at 58 ticks. I'm pretty sure anybody would be ecstatic at that. If we take it, would be more realistic and put it from the top of that move there. And let's say we didn't quite get into this area right here. We just, did proper stop management and gave the space to get up in there to see if it was going to make any leadway there. We probably made it to about there. That's 30 ticks. Also not a bad trade. And so then the next time it comes down, it hits it and it wicks into it. And I personally, I like this more. I actually like this because it's right on top of the zone. But if it's going to get into the zone, I do like it when it leaves like a long wick and it pops back out and closes outside the zone. Basically, totally respecting the zone. And then it bounces out and goes long. So that's how we use zones as kind of, I guess the basic premises of it. So, or premise. And so that's how we're going to be looking for trades going forward, is for price to be bouncing off of our zones. And that pretty much does it. So now you've got it installed on your charts. You've got this banner showing you should be good. If for whatever reason they still don't pop up, then go back over to the members area. What did I click? That's not it. Head back over to the members area right there. And or even on this page right there. But see at the bottom of the page, it has how may we help you? There's a little chat bubble there. If you click that and type in your problem, whoever is more apt to helping you with that situation is going to contact you and help you with that. Again, I'm Wait For It. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you in session. Please say hi and happy trading. Okay, this is Wait For It, Liberty Trading Club, and today we're going to be going over how to get trade alerts and how to enter trades whenever you get an alert. So I have my phone on the screen. If you look to the left there. There you go. There's the sound. And there's your alert. Now, if you go up here to the button and say Get Alert, and it says Sell Stop, I click OK. It pops up on my screen. Price touches it, it enters the trade. Then the coach will say, okay, let's go ahead and move your stops to 52.36. And that's where we're at right now. Technically, we probably should be one tick back, so let's move it to 52.36.50. It is lunchtime, so the market is moving rather slowly, so this normally would have been already done. So you already hit your first targets, and it automatically went to break even there. But so 52.35.50, it just closed down there. So let's go ahead and move it down to break even. Let's say 34.25. Because it's not getting a lot of momentum here. And so we don't want to be left in here if it's going to start to come backwards on us, especially how long it made us wait for the trade. It should be pretty bull or bearish here, so it should just keep going down. And each time it drops down, what we'll do is we'll just move it a little bit tighter. so that we can cap our profits. We already did get first targets off, so if we normally run 3 contracts, so if that's what you were running, then you had already gotten 2 off at 4 ticks. Let's go ahead and move this down to, let's say 33.50. You had already gotten 2 targets off at 4, and so we'd be in profits no matter what now because we'd be getting all 3 at 4 ticks basically. If we move it down to 33.25, that would be the case. So let's do that. There you go. Now it's turning back around. When this one closes a little bit lower because it's trying to pull back and everything, just to make sure that it starts to drop heavier here. If not, then either way, we're just moving our stops to 32.75. Just because we don't want to be caught in it. We back up and losing more profits. All right, now we got to break out. Now we can go ahead and move our stops down to 32. As long as it keeps dropping here, this one looks like it's going to try to pull back on us. I would say go ahead and move it down to 31.75. It's definitely showing some weakness right here. Strength to the upside here. I'd probably give it the overlapping of these wicks right here. Probably not any more than that, so let's go to 31.25. Recommits to the downside. Oh, looks like it's going to start coming back up. And you're flat. And that's it. So hopefully that helps explain how to use the trade alerts, and thanks for joining, and I appreciate you.